Meaning of hardball.
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 Hardball. The term hardball is often used in a competitive context to refer to aggressive tactics and actions taken to achieve a desired outcome, with no regard for the interests or feelings of others involved. It can be seen in negotiations, sports games, politics, and other realms where winning is the ultimate goal. The result of playing hardball can be successful in achieving one's objectives, but it can also lead to damaged relationships, mistrust, and a negative reputation. Ultimately, whether one chooses to play hardball or not should depend on a careful consideration of the potential consequences.